Hello, students. My name is Casey Nguyen. I am a CIS professor at Moreno Valley College. I want to invite you to take CIS-40C-23248 section, which is installing, configuring, and administering Microsoft operating systems. In this class, we are going to learn about Microsoft OS, such as Windows 10, Windows 11, also configuring Server 2019, the roles for the server, to be able to set up services and be able to connect to your server. This class is going to be on campus Monday and Wednesday at 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. And so for those of you who are looking to take Microsoft Technology Associate Certification or Server Plus certifications from CompTIA, this class is going to be helpful for you. And again, this course is going to be on campus Monday and Wednesday, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. And it is CIS-40C 23248. I look forward to have you in class. This is going to be a really fun, hands-on, and exciting class. See you soon.